on, not the wall, the beautiful vet. Yes, got him. Hey everyone, Digital David here. Today in this video, I'm going to be checking out the coolermaster Storm controller. I did receive this sample directly from coolermaster, but any opinion expressed in this video is strictly my own. That being said, if you're interested in this wireless gaming controller or you want to find out more about it, the link to it will be in the video description. Here's a look at the retail box and packaging. Everything looks great. They walk you through some key features on the front. You'll notice that this is a Bluetooth wireless controller, or you can use it with a wire if you prefer, and up to 40 hours of battery life on a single charge. Now let's go ahead, let's open it up and look at the contents. Here are all the contents. First up, we have our user guide and manual walking us through everything we need to know about configuring and setting up our controller. Here's an overview of all the buttons and controls as well as their functions and specs. It weighs 220 grams and has a 1000 milliamp hour battery. Supports PC, Windows 7, 8, 10, and 11, OTT box, and Android 5.0 and above. They have instructions here how to connect with your wired input, whether you want to use D input or X input. Then you'll see we have some additional instructions here with Bluetooth, how to pair everything. You get the idea. Then we have everything repeating in multiple languages. Moving right along, you'll see we have a USB Type A to USB Type C cable here. The Type C ends for the controller, Type A ends for your computer. And lastly, we have the controller itself. Everything looks great. There's our USB Type-C port, left trigger, left bumper, right bumper, all of our joysticks and our D-pad here, coolermaster logo and center button, 3 indicator lights, 4 additional buttons right there. It's got a good lightweight feel to it, not bad. I like the color scheme. Obviously, it's coolermaster's color, but then we have like the purplish, lighter purple, pink almost on these sides. There's a good peek at the back side. Now, just for fun, let me show you it side by side compared to some console controllers. Here it is next to your Xbox Series X controller. They're very similar to each other. The Xbox Series X controller obviously has some texture on it. It's going to be a little bit heavier, slightly different design and angle too, but not, I mean, very similar, not bad. What do you think about that? Pretty cool. Very similar form factor here. But coolermaster is going to be a little bit taller. So Xbox will be a little bit more shrunk in. And looking at it with the PlayStation 5, not as similar as the Xbox controller. You know, a little thicker here, a little thinner there. More pronounced, a little bit more extended here versus the coolermaster controller. Look at the location of the joysticks too, right? You get the idea. Similar, yet completely different. All right, so first up, we have our Google Pixel 7 Pro phone here with Bluetooth turned on. We've turned on the controller. We've pressed and held down for a couple seconds the Bluetooth button. We have our third icon indicating now that we're going to connect to for our Bluetooth device. And we're going to choose Xbox Wireless Controller. That's going to be what we want to pair to. And there we go. We are now connected to our controller, and look at that. You can see we can start using it for our phone right there. Now let's play a game. So I'm going to be playing a racing game here. I've never played it before, but it's not so much about the game as it is just seeing if everything works. Keep in mind, your experience will vary depending on each Android game you're trying to play and if it's even compatible with a controller. So that might take you a little bit of time to see if your favorite game is even allowing you to play. But let's go ahead. Let's try this race, and we'll see how it performs. All right, we're off to the races here. Woo! Oh! We didn't get off to the best start? What is with the turning on this? That's not the controller, that's just me getting used to the game. We really spun out of control there. Sad day. Is there any sort of turbo? Get a turbo or anything? Ooh. Alright. I'm telling you guys, it's not the controller, it's just me. I promise. It's crazy you can spin out. It's amazing. No, we're not doing it again. Are we gonna get lapped?
Position 10, 5.5 seconds to the car ahead. 3 laps left.
3 laps! But, as you can tell, super responsive. The controller's doing great. Some of that might just speak to the performance of the Pixel 7 Pro with the controller versus maybe your phone if you're noticing any lag or anything. Because for us, it's nice. Man, we were so close. Gotta pass somebody.
Caution, the driver spun out.
Hey! Goes around, comes around. Sucker! Can we get this guy? Can we get in the fishtail or anything? Oh! That works too. We've passed 2 people, guys, after spinning out twice. We'll take it. Give me that NOS, baby. Whoa, what did I just do? Can we fishtail him? Come on, can we spin him out? Can we spin him out? I want to spin him out. Come on. Oh, I thought we got him. Oh. Oh, hey. Can we spin him? He doesn't like me. Oh no, he's gonna spin us. Get out of my way, dude. Oh! No, no touchy. Hey, we'll take it. All right, so now we're playing some Forza 5 right here. Check out this beautiful Corvette as we're in the intro of the game. When we connected this to our PC via Bluetooth, if you're wondering, it did show up as Xbox controller. Oh, man. Oh, not the wall, the beautiful vet. Yes, got him. Not today, buddy. But showed up as Xbox controller connected via Bluetooth. Forza 5 on our PC right here. Oh, man. I don't know how you're ever supposed to follow that line. Oh, gosh, it's a massacre. Can we drive through the tractor? No. Can we make it? Hey! Oh, man. Uh-oh. Help. Help. What a mess. What are we doing? Anyways, what I was going to say with this controller, what's more important is not my driving. It's really more about how responsive is it and everything along those lines. Oh, we had to get reset. RIP. And it's very responsive. Touch and go. It's great. I got some driving skills to improve here big time. Oh, like that. Man, how are you supposed to take that turn? A lot slower. It's no fun to use the brake, though. We want to be a little bit more aggressive and pass. But really just watch my hands, the controller, the movement. Oh, and we cut in there. Let's go. All right, let's rewind that. Pretty cool, though. But yeah, just watch the movements again. The joysticks. Super responsive. Really nice. Comfortable to hold. Not getting too sweaty yet. I am a sweaty gamer. Sweaty tryhard. But I'm liking that. Now we got the Porsche, baby. Through the water. A little bit of hydroplaning there. Hey, we did it. Oh, and then we overcorrected on the drift. It's the worst. Driver error, that's for sure. What a sweet Porsche, though. Off-roading Porsche. Oh, we're trying to not overcompensate. Oh, we can't regain control. It's too hard. It's muddy, slippery. I mean, if we're just light on the gas, you'll see better driving from us. Cool look back. Woo! I want to use that joystick a little bit more, but that's pretty risky for what we're doing with my expertise. Super responsive, comfortable joysticks. Slow and steady, look at that. It's like we know what we're doing now. Much better playing a game like this with a controller, for sure. What a sweet car. Oh, there's a dog or something. We're cooking now. What is that car? Look at that guy. See, he's got the real off-road vehicle, but I'm telling you, our car's way cooler. Pass him on the inside here. See ya! There's our plane. And big air! Look at that! Amazing. Whoa! No, I'm stuck in the water. He's passing us again. Will the controller help me? Can we get ahead of him? Oh, I'm going aggressive. Nailed it. Oh, man, that's a little fast, David. This intro's the best. Hey, nailed it. So now let me share with you my final thoughts. After using the coolermaster Storm wireless gaming controller, here's what I want to say. If you're used to the Xbox controller, this will be a natural fit for you. USB Type-C is nice. The ability to use either wired or wireless is great. Bluetooth for both our computer as well as Android devices. And I like that we're able to connect 3 different devices to this controller. I think the thing for me in the future that I'd like to see improve the most is it's not the easiest sometimes to switch between the different Bluetooth input. Some of that is done automatically. It'll connect to the last known device, but then you should be able to just basically press this, and then press it again to toggle between them. But sometimes I found myself like re-adding and pairing it in the wrong setting. So that'd probably be the thing I'd want to see improve the most. But overall, a nice, solid, simple to use, comfortable, easy to game with wireless gaming controller.